Hey, Jim here from K2 Concepts, shooting another video today on the Devilbiss GPI gun setup that we have for sale on the K2ShopOnline.com website. Several members have had some questions about the GPI guns, what makes them better, what are the features, and so we thought we'd shoot just maybe like part one or an introductory on the GPI setup. First of all, you're going to notice that if you guys have any starting lines or stuff like that, you guys are going to notice that it's a lot shorter than a starting line. Starting lines are a little nose heavy to me. I don't really care for a starting line gun. We have used one for an activator gun for several years now. My son doesn't mind it with me. If I had my druthers, I'll obviously use an Airgunza. We have both the starting line and the Airgunza racked on the tank, and not a bad gun, but definitely not a high quality gun. The first thing you're going to notice about these GPIs is there's a lot of quality built in these things. From what I understand, the same mills that do Swiss watches and such, the same mills that cut all those parts also cut these. So you're going to see that it is a very high quality piece of machinery. A lot of soft edges, very good feeling gun. A lot of similar features to just a regular Devilbiss if you guys have shot them before, but good overall quality. I like the fact that they have a nice, it's not a piece of aluminum, it's a good steel trigger. Here we've had problems with aluminum triggers in the past, they'll break. This is a good rugged trigger. It's a well-built gun. Okay, so you're going to get the gun and it's set up to whatever you guys prefer. It comes with both a 1.4 and 1.8 tip, so you guys will get both. It comes with a plastic cup. I like a plastic cup because it allows you to see just how much activator you have in a gun over a steel cup. Sometimes you'll get halfway through activating a pattern and you run out. Ask me how I know. You're going to also have a little filter in here, which is pretty cool. Keeps the garbage out of the, your pattern if you're not filtering your activator. So you're going to get the gun, you're going to get the cup, you're going to get 1.4 tip, 1.8 tip. You get the needle and the tip. You're going to get a CD that will have a lot of Devilbiss marketing materials on here, but also the gun setup and the technical data. This gun is supposed to be set up at a 2-bar. Okay. Oh, and you're going to get a HAV 501, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, HAV 501 gauge. It's definitely one of the more accurate gauges that we've played with, non-digital. A regular digital gauge probably costs twice as much. This is a very, very accurate non-digital gauge, so I'm pretty impressed with this, with the cheater valve built into it. So you guys are going to get the gun, you're going to get a cup, you're going to get 1.4 needle and tip, and the gauge. So all you got to do is put whatever air fitting that you guys have on the gauge, and you're good to go right out of the box. We will be setting these up depending on which tip you're going to be using, a 1.8 or 1.4. Just let us know, and we'll be setting it up for an activator gun. We have not shot paint or clear with it. Devilbiss is saying that this is a very, very good clear gun, so I'd be interested to shoot some clear out. We have not played with that just yet, but we'll probably be shooting some more videos on that. They're telling me that this thing has a lot less overspray than our SATA 4000 RP. That's an $800 gun. This is a $400 gun, and it comes with a 1.4 and a 1.8, so you're getting actually two guns in one. And if it lays down clear just as good or better, and we can save money on overspray, this might be the way to go. I don't know yet, so hold on to that. So anyhow, I thought I'd give you an overview. For those guys that have ordered it, we've got 2 or 3 already sent out. You guys want to set this up at a 1 bar. If you set it up below 1 bar, it tends to overactivate. If you set it up above that, then you tend to blow the pattern out of the water. But the fan pattern, the first thing you guys are going to notice, you guys that buy these things, the first thing you're going to notice is the fan pattern is incredible. I've never seen a dedicated activator gun that has a beautiful fan pattern like this thing. The Aragunza is definitely by far my gun of choice, but if you guys want to take the next step, then you definitely should think about this gun. You know, I tell people not everybody shoots out of a SOT RP 4000 RP. That's an $800 clear gun. Not everybody has one of those. Not everybody's going to buy a $400 activator gun. However, I have seen this perform in the tank. Now, we've had it in the tank for about a month. You know, it'll solve some activation problems. Those that have been through my class will know that the whole basis of the first K2 triangle is your gun setup. So this thing definitely takes that off the table. It's something you don't have to worry about. So, you know, pretty impressed so far. So this is the overall view. We will be shooting some more in-depth videos on how to set these things up. Very, very narrow fan pattern. You guys are probably going to set this thing up about a quarter turn. Anything above that, like a full fan, you're going to be shooting high and low. So this thing sets up pretty much about a quarter turn out from you know, down to a pinpoint. Set it back about a quarter turn, and that's about where you need to be for a full fan. Anyhow, that's my overall impression. Again, the Devilbiss GPI setup. We are the exclusive distributor of these in the United States. Made the agreement, and you know, we've got them in stock. We will have probably 4 of them up at the Kansas Hydrographics Remote Training Program that we're having in April 23rd, 24th, and 25th. If you guys are going to be part of that, then I will demonstrate these up there. We'll probably be giving one away. So if you guys are part of the Kansas Remote Training Program, we will probably be giving one of these away to one of you lucky ones. Right now there's 12, 15 people signed up, so somebody's going to get a really $500 gun. And that's it. So again, the Devilbiss GPI, it's on k2shoponline.com. Gun, cup, 1.4 tip, and a gauge. Everything's included. That's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will talk to you later. Hope you're having a good day dipping.